In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use watch folders in Adobe Media Encoder. Watch folders are a simple way to automate encoding. You point Media Encoder at a folder on your drive, and anything you place in that folder is automatically queued and encoded according to the settings you choose. It's a huge time saver for repetitive deliveries and background processing. Start by opening Adobe Media Encoder. Once it's up, look for the Watch Folders panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and enable Watch Folders so the panel appears. This is where you'll set up and manage the folders that Media Encoder monitors. Now add the folder you want Media Encoder to watch. You can do this in 3 different ways. Use the menu by going to File and choosing Add Watch Folder, then pick a folder on your drive. Or, inside the Watch Folders panel, double-click an empty area to browse and select a folder. If you prefer a faster workflow, you can also drag and drop a folder directly from Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac into the panel. Any of these methods will create the watch entry. With the folder added, click to select it in the Watch Folders panel. You'll see options next to its name that control how Media Encoder processes anything that lands in that folder. First, choose the format from the drop-down. For example, H.264 is great for web and social. HEVC can deliver similar quality at smaller file sizes, and ProRes is ideal for higher quality post-production workflows. Pick the one that matches your delivery needs. Next, choose a preset. The preset defines the specifics of the encode, things like bitrate, resolution, and other quality settings. If you're targeting a platform or device, selecting a preset designed for it helps ensure compatibility. If you're unsure, start with a recommended preset for your chosen format and adjust later as needed. Finally, set the output folder, which is where the encoded files will be saved. Choose a location with plenty of space and a clear naming structure. It's best practice to keep the output separate from the watch folder so files aren't reprocessed in a loop. That's it. With Media Encoder open, the watch folder now monitors for new files, automatically queues them, and encodes in the background using the format and preset you selected. Keep your system awake and make sure you have right permissions to both the watch and output locations for a smooth, reliable workflow.